Welcome to Folded, Creased, and Crumpled. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
And today we have a fun episode. We are finally going to dive into our Busy Bee Stationery box and do what you've all been waiting for. Some screen printing. Whoa.
Dun, 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 dun.
Roll the intro. So, I don't know if any of you remember, we did a Busy Bee unboxing, stationery unboxing. And today we're going to do what they provided for us in the box, which is screen printing. So they actually had a white journal that they gave us, which was really nice. But they also gave us white ink. So when on white, you wouldn't really see it. So what we decided to do is Anna provided me with a black canvas bag that she's going to turn into a pillow. And we're simply just going to screen print it onto the bag. And then she's going to let it dry and then she's going to sew. And I can't wait to see the end result. So there's a couple of things that I'm a little unhappy with. So how to screen print. First off, you need to peel this off. So it's a sticker. And I think this is the right, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I also want to make sure that if there's like a little dipper there, a big dipper, that it's in the right spot. But I don't really know what's right and what's not. So I think I'm going to go this way. So the first thing we do is we peel this screen. So here we go. Take the corner. Oh my goodness, I hate this so much. And it's really, really thin.
You can see how thin it is.
Yeah, remember, it's vinyl. So now what I'm going to do is I want to make sure it's as centered as possible. So I'm just going to do it halfway and make sure that I have centered it properly.
Oh, clever, clever.
Right. Anna, you could be my eyes maybe.
Just go for it, Tina. Go for broke.
Well, the thing is, what's good is this is reusable. So after we do this, we can actually do it again and
again and again and again.
Yeah. And also, this isn't a sticker, so it's not sticking.
Is it but it is supposed to be a sticker.
I think it's just supposed to be vinyl. So what vinyl does is the static will make it stick, but for some reason it's not. But that's fine. As long as I have it lined up as nice as I possibly can, which I think this is it. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can. Go ahead.
So then the next move is we unscrew this lovely reactive screen, and then we just pour like that. And they were supposed to provide a scraper for us. Okay. So they didn't have the scraper that was supposed to be provided with the screen print and the ink. I'm going to quickly swipe the top part with the brush that they provided with us. And because I don't have a scraper, I have to improvise. So Anna and I came up with a good idea. So let's hope it works. So the top part, I got most of it. Let's put that aside. Oh gosh. And then we're going to use Busy Bee paper, and hopefully this will go on just as nicely. So this is exactly what you're supposed to do. Oh gosh. Oh no, I'm getting the...
It's okay, Tina. Is it moving?
I don't know.
It's okay.
This is us learning. I don't think it's moving actually. I mean, it's getting on.
It's okay, Tina.
It's not going to be perfect, guys. I'm sorry. But you get the idea of... I mean, if we had the proper tools, I think we'll be fine. But we do not have the proper tools right now, so...
And I suppose you could also do like an ombre style if you had multiple colors.
Oh yeah, that'd be so pretty. If we had like a white background and we actually had proper colored ink,
Mm-hmm.
I think it'd be really nice to do an ombre, like you said. Do you vaguely remember doing this in school? Because I remember.
I do not.
No,
Not
you
at
never did
all.
that?
No, I do
Oh.
not remember doing this at all. When you got this box, this was completely new to me.
Really? You never
Mhm.
did it in art class? Oh,
Not that I can remember.
I remember doing this in art class. Here is the problem. Because we don't have proper stickage, it's not staying on.
I have a suggestion to go with the messiness.
Uh-huh.
Can you do an outward brush on all the angles so that it's like it's framed?
Yeah. I think I know what you're talking about.
Make it intentionally messy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like you're right, though. It is moving a little. So I'm trying to be gentle.
I wonder if there was supposed to be an adhesive spray or something.
See, the only problem is the one comment I'd like to make, besides not having the proper tools in there for us,
Yep.
is instructions on how you're supposed to properly do this.
Right.
Because I had to look this up, so I actually saw how it was done. And number two, no, it didn't show any of those things. And I feel like you're right. If there is something like that, it needs to be shown. Because not everybody's going to know.
Mm-hmm.
So, as great of an idea, so you mean like this, right? Brush it out?
Yes, like brush towards the edges and out. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then just make it intentionally messy because sometimes those are the best mistakes.
That's what Bob Ross says. There's no...
Bob Ross. I remember Bob Ross. Paint a happy tree, Tina.
And what was it? There's no such thing as mistakes, just happy
Coincidences?
or happy, oh my goodness.
I feel like I remember that, but it's not coming to me.
Happy mistakes, happy something.
Let us know in the comments if you remember what Bob Ross said.
I'm not gonna lie, I never really watched him as a
Bob
kid.
Ross, if you're watching.
He's dead.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah, he's
Oh, I didn't know he
passed away. I think he passed away a few years ago. I looked it up because a few of us were talking about Bob Ross.
Hashtag Bob Ross, people.
It was like happy accidents. There's no mistakes.
Oh,
There's
yes.
no happy accidents.
I think it's happy accidents. That sounds right.
Yeah. What about this happy accident? I don't know. I'm scared.
Can you do more at the top corner, Tina?
Like
top
this?
left?
Oh, top left.
Yeah, make that corner more messy. Perfect.
So, yeah. So basically, once we're done this, we're supposed to peel this off and see it.
Mm-hmm.
I'd be lying if I say I'm not nervous about it, even though our intent is to make
fearless.
a mess. I know, you always tell me that, but I'm scared right now. All right. So once that's done, you're supposed to peel it out. Ready?
Where are you going to put it, though?
I'm just going to put it on top here.
Okay.
Or actually, you know what? I'll put it on the box.
Okay.
All right.
Moment of truth.
Oh!
That's very pretty. But it did smear quite a bit.
Yeah, it didn't... You got some parts here and there, but it's not that bad.
I'm fine with it.
You know? But overall, this is the end result you're supposed to get, is basically whatever's on here, you paint it over, and it latches on that. And then you let it dry, and once it's dry, you know, you do whatever you want to do with it. So this is our end result. I hope that whoever has this box knows that you might need a different color fabric or a different color book, because this is all white, was the only ink they supplied it. And I'll quickly I'll quickly move this over. I'll quickly show you what they gave us. So they basically gave us this travel notebook, and that was supposed to be the screen ink. White on white, you're not going to see all this. So I didn't have time just because it's COVID to find another color to do it on here, but maybe another time we'll do that. But for now, Anna was nice enough to give me one of her totes to work on it, and so we have this like cute little, you know, I don't want to call it tutorial because I didn't really know what I was doing, but I'm just gonna say tutorial because ta-da, this is the end result.
I think it's beautiful, Tina. And the fact that you did it on my tote bag, I now have a piece of art that is from you.
Oh, shucks. All right, we're done. Well, that was fun. Anna, am I missing anything else?
Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on all your post notifications, and everybody stay safe.
Peace.